Today we are going to unbox a mechanical keyboard from 8BitDo in a retro color scheme. This mechanical keyboard is the color of the Japanese red and white machine, which is the color of the American version of Family Computer. Compared with Japan, the saturation is a little lower: gray, red, and black, white. The three colors in Japan are red, bright red, white, and black, it seems. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. The connection method is the most popular now. This 2.4G Bluetooth and USB. Then I don't care too much. Buy this keyboard. Mainly just for this retro color scheme. So why did you buy this color scheme? In fact, I have always felt American version of this color matching of Rinjin Tang 8-bit computer. Better than the Japanese version. I'm not that compatible. Color looks make people feel more comfortable. On the contrary, I have always felt so. Don't tell me it's the same as in earlier years. Host of Renjiantang. Touch. It's the feel. I kind of believe it. Axis or something. I don't quite understand either. The feel of impurities is okay. But that's not the point. The point is it. Like the design style very much. You may not be able to see clearly now. This red indicator light. It's very retro. Volume of a knob. It is A. It's such a level 1. It's not originally a stepless knob. It has that feel. That feeling of crunching, crunching, crunching. I don't know what these three twists are used for. Particularly eye-catching twist. A twist and B-twist. You can replace these two twists with V and others. FN or whatever. The back is more plain and simple. .4G receiver. It feels like the inspiration. The brick wall inside Super Mario. Then this keyboard. There is a particularly interesting accessory. Super huge custom button. That's the kind you put on the table. You can control the grid as much as you want. F5 refresh. Anyway, it's up to you to play whatever you want. can be put together like this. Connection method. Didn't notice it just now. What does ABXY mean? Good. I've read the manual. It should be ABXY. Each port can be connected to one. Such an accessory with programmable buttons can receive up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just bang, 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 bang. This cannot be used to play Taiku Master. This button can have a sticker on it. Like I said. Control-C, Control-V, Control-S. The power button can be whatever you like. But there are a little few stickers. I won't post it anymore, because I don't know which button is suitable to set. Set which shortcut key is appropriate. After using it for a while, I found it most convenient. I've already connected it to my computer. Let's try this feature. The 2 programming keys just now. I've finished programming. Copy one is paste. Try it. Turn on some lights. Paste, paste, paste. Then protect the mirror, mirror, mirror. Of course. This is a random one. There should be a more useful place. After using it for a while, these 2 keys are quite fun. Okay. That's it for today. Dismiss the meeting. Subtitle Provider Li Zongxi. Subtitle Volunteer Yang Chanqian.